Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today is the first video of CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and it is used for decorating and giving design to your web pages, to your HTML. As you saw, if in the previous videos we built only the HTML, but after this we will try to give color, give designs, and decorate our HTML elements. So let's dive into the code. Alright everyone, so let's get into the code. First of all, let's have one each one. This is the first page, and let's have some paragraphs, so I will write lorem. Then let's have some paragraphs, so we write p and write lorem to have the pre-built paragraph. And let's have it for third time as well, and lorem. So you see there we have only the HTML, and if you want to have CSS decorating or styles here for our HTML web pages, we have three ways to do that. One is inline, the second one is internal, and the last one is external. So let's get first talk about the inline. Inline is, you may guess according to the meaning as well, that you write the CSS properties in that HTML element. So for example, if I want to design my H1, my heading, I just write style, because CSS properties come inside this style attribute. For example, if I want to change the color, let's first of all change the background color for the whole body, so you can apply in the body as well. You write style, then you write background color. I have this suggestion as well, but if I didn't have, you just need to write. Then you have these two dots, and you write your CSS property. So for example, I want to change background color to be black. You write simply the color black. If you enter, you refresh the page, now you see that your CSS property is applied in this. And then you want to, now the text is not visible, but we have it because the text is also in black color and the body is also black color. So we want to change the text color. We write style, then we write color. Color means the font color, the text color. And you write this color dots, and you write, for example, let's have it white. Now if you refresh the page, you see that the color of this heading is changed. So we can apply this for our paragraphs as well. Let's just copy and paste it. Refresh the page, you see now your color, your style is applied in your HTML web page. You can have multiple CSS properties here as well. So this was all about the inline CSS, that you can do it inside that element, the element that you want to change the color. Now let's go back. And the second method that is used is called internal. For the internal, you use the CSS properties in that document, in that file. For example, just after the title, in the heading tag, inside this heading tag, you write another tag, and you open tag style. You write style, then you close this tag. So now here you first of all, you should define which element you want to target, which element you want to give style. So the first element, so let's refresh this as well. The first element that I want to give style is called body. So you see here, so I want to give body and style. Then you write body, you open these brackets, and then you write your CSS property, background color to be black. Now let's refresh the page. Again, you see that we have the CSS property. So the second element that I want to target for this website is H1. So again, you write H1, then you open these brackets and you write color. That is applied for font color. So you write white. refresh the page, you see the changes. And the second one is I want to target my paragraph, so I write P and then I write color white. And now you see all the paragraphs are changed to white. But you see now it is a little bit simpler than inline CSS, because in inline CSS you saw that in each paragraph, in each element, you had to write different and multiple times for each of them. For example, for the first paragraph, although you wanted to have the same style for all these 4 paragraphs, but you needed to write in each element. But here in inline, you see just you target the P and whatever paragraph you have after this, so it will have that style. So if I have another paragraph and write lorem, and you see that is also again with the white color. Or if I want to change it to blue, again all of them take effects. So let's again get rid all of them and refresh the page. Now everything is according to their beginning. And the third method, which is very popular and very easy reusable, that most of developers use this method, is called external. External means outside of this file you make another file and you write your CSS properties there. So we come here and write, you give it any name that you want. So for me it's gonna be style dot, then I have the extension for the CSS. As I told you that every file, every language should be distinguished according to their extension. Here we have .html and here we have .css. So now we have external file to have our CSS properties. After that you need the thing you need to do is you need to link your external file in your HTML. So I open the tag and write link, and it does not have closing tag. So inside this link attribute that we have is called rel, which stands for relationship. What is this link for? So you give this kind of a thing to browser and a hint to browser that this is a style sheet. Its relationship is it links to a style sheet. Then the second attribute is that you give is called href. That you give the hyper reference. So it is gonna be now here you give the address of your file. So you write the name of that style.css including the extension. Now it is linked to our external file CSS. Here again you should target that element. So here I target body, then I open these brackets and write background color to be black. Let's see, it is working. Then the second element I wanna target is h1, so the color is gonna be white. And the third is gonna be P, paragraph, so this color is gonna be white. Let's see, yeah, everything takes effect, so it is working. If I compare these 3 methods for you, I see that internal is better than inline, external is far more better than internal and inline, because you can use it multiple times. So if I have another file, second dot HTML. So suppose it is your second file, second page, you have the element of HTMLs, and then you write here h1 that this is the second page of my website. Let's give a link as well here to easy access it. Second, and in href you give the address second.html. so refresh the page, and now you see here. So if I click because let's come here. So first you should link as well here. So you write link, relationship is gonna be style sheet, and the reference is gonna be style.css. I did not do anything, just I linked that I want to use these styles here. So now you see everything takes effect. The body is black and the h1 is white. So it is the betterment, it is the goodness of external method, because you can use one CSS property in many files that you want. So it's all about today. I hope you enjoyed it. So we learned about how to have inline classes, how to have how to have inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. For the betterment of your code, I suggest you to use external. For try to use always external, because it shows that you are writing a clean code. It shows that you are professional. Your HTML file is separated from your CSS, from your JavaScript and other files. But in some cases you can use internal, and in some cases you should use inline as well, no matter. So it was all about today. We'll talk more about CSS in the future. Thank you.